and Merry Christmas, the month of Christmas anyway. And today we are making a family favorite cookie that has been in our family for a long time. I can't even remember when we didn't make this cookie. And we always called it Sandies, but you may know it by another name like I've heard Russian tea cakes or wedding cakes in the past. So anyway, it is kind of a very quick shortbread cookie, basically is what it is. And into the mixer goes a whole cup of butter, and we're going to do a little pinch of salt because I'm using unsalted butter, so a little pinch of salt. And we're going to get that going, and then we're going to add our Swerve Confectioners sugar. And that's the thing about this cookie, is it calls for, the traditional recipe calls for powdered sugar. So since I've been sugar alternative for a long time now, this recipe has been on hiatus. But we're bringing it back because we have found this wonderful product now. The Swerve is a sugar alternative, and they do it in the powdered sugar or confectioner sugar form. So, yay, yay. That butter, by the way, is still cool. All right, it is not completely softened. I do not bring my butter to room temperature for this recipe. All right, guys, and in goes our Swerve Confectioner sugar, and then we're going to incorporate that fully, and then we'll add our vanilla. I've always loved this recipe, you guys, because it's something that is, it's like 4 ingredients, right? So your 4 ingredients, and it's stuff that I usually have on hand in the house. And so whenever I've had an impromptu company or something like that, and we just wanted something a little sweet, or I needed a quick dessert for something, this has been a go-to recipe for that. Now our butter is incorporated with the Swerve and the vanilla, and so now we're going to add our flour gradually, a little bit at a time, until it's fully incorporated. All right, let's scrape those sides, and we should be ready to give it one more turn around the bowl and be done. Don't forget the bottom of your bowl, guys. When you're using your mixer, you want to be sure that you're scraping up that stuff not only from the sides, but across the bottom of your bowl. All right, now that you have your dough all cleaned off the beater and ready, just take a spoon, just a regular spoon out of your drawer, right? About a walnut size amount of dough like that, and very quickly give it a quick roll like that, and then place it onto your ungreased baking sheet. So nice thing about this recipe is it just uses a standard baking sheet, and you don't even have to grease it. Because remember, you've got all that good butter in there. So you just roll them real quick and put them out on the pan. Now I'm going to continue to get all of these rolled out and ready, and then they're going to go into a 325 oven for about 15 to 18 minutes until they're just slightly golden on the very edges of the bottom of them. Okay guys, now when these are still warm to the touch, so they've been cooling for about 10 minutes, get your powdered Swerve ready in a bag like this. I find that's the easiest way to do it. And just roll them around until they're nice and coated. All right? And you can do more than one if your bag allows. I have to be careful that I don't shove too many in there, because if I do, then they'll bang against each other and crumble, and I don't want them to crumble. So I try to be careful not to crowd my bag. If you're using powdered sugar, you're going to be using about a cup's worth. Now see how easy that is, guys? And that technique, just very simple. I'm going to continue to roll and dust the rest of these cookies, and I'll see you back for a taste test. Okay guys, there's our beautiful Sandies all done, and we are ready for a taste test. favorite part, right? Favorite part. Mmm. So buttery. Ooh. Satiny on the inside, you guys. The texture on that shortbread is just spot on. But yet, with the Swerve Confectioners style sugar alternative, you get this coolness on your tongue that is so lovely with that butter flavor in that shortbread. It's just amazing. Mmm. And the bite through that is so lovely. It's everything you want in a delicate little shortbread cookie. And probably about a third of the time. Oh, and who doesn't like that? Especially around the holidays. Right? Oh my goodness. So, if you guys give me these a try, if you give these a try, guys, let me know how much you love them, because I'm absolutely sure that you are going to love them, and I hope they become a family favorite and a staple in your house, just like they have in ours. Well, that's it for these cookies, you guys. I think I might just have to enjoy the rest of this one. And make sure you subscribe to the channel, guys, so you can enjoy more of our Christmas recipes that we're bringing to you all this month. And we'll see you next time on Things Tina Does.